everyone, Miss Grundle here for Math Lesson 30 today. Today our I can statement is I can make pictures to match addition stories. Remember, addition is our put together problems. So let's get started. Listen carefully to my story. Nancy had 10 beans. She picked up 6 in one hand and 4 in the other. How many beans did she have in all? 10. How many beans did she pick up in each of her hands? She had 6 beans in one hand and 4 beans in the other. Great job. Let's draw a picture of what this would look like. So I know that she had 6 beans in one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beans were in the other hand? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now we know that her 6 beans and her 4 beans add together to make 10. We can write a number sentence to go with this problem. Nancy had 10 beans. They told us that information right away. It equals how many in this hand? 6. And how many in this hand? 4 of them. You got it. So 10 equals 6 plus 4. Can we turn this into a number bond? Definitely. I'm going to bring in my number bond. All right, let's scooch this out so you can see the whole thing. Now, our top of our number bond, our big part, is the whole number. Which number from my story is the whole number? 10. How many beans were in her first hand? 6 of them. Great. How many beans were in her second hand? 4. You guys are getting so good at this. Great work. I can see that my 6 and 4 come together to make 10. So part, make a whole. Awesome. Let's do another one. I'm going to clear my board. And this time, I think I'm going to draw it as a 5 group. So listen carefully to my next story. Shelley has 8 presents. Her friend gives her 2 more presents. Shelley has 10 presents now. How many presents did she have at first? 8 of them. Yep. And then her friend gave her some more. How many did she get from her friend? 2. You're right. So now she has 10 in total. Let's draw a picture of what that would look like. I'm going to start by drawing the 8 presents. I'm going to do these 8 presents in my 5 groups. So I'm going to make them as little squares. So here's my first 5. And now I'm going to keep going on the bottom. 6, 7, 8. All right, those are the 8 presents that Shelley had. Then her friend gave her 2 more. I'm going to complete this 5 group with 2 more presents. All right. Does Shelley have all 10 presents? Yes, great. Let's turn this information into a number sentence. How many presents did Shelley start off with? She started off with 8 presents. Then her friend gave her 2 more. What math symbol do I use to show that she got 2 more? A plus, you're right. I can do plus 2 equals How many presents does Shelly have? She has 10 of them. Yes, I noticed here that I had a group of 5 and a group of 5. I know that that would fill out my whole tens frame. So 8 plus 2 must equal 10. Good job, everyone. Now it's your turn to try some. You are going to be working on our lesson 30 problem set. So you're going to start over here with some rocket ships and astronauts, and you are going to do both pages. When you're done, you can share your work with your teacher.